Hi, I'm Mercy and welcome to my first ever tech video. I'm passionate about digital security and helping you stay smart with your smartphone. If you have ever worried about someone snooping on your WhatsApp, then this video is for you. Let's get to the business. First thing first, go to the chat or group chat that you want to lock. Let's go with the wireless sensor networks group. Click on the profile up there and scroll down to chat logs, then enable. After enabling, go back and scroll down to log chats. Here you can see the log chats. Click on it, and after clicking on it you can see the group of chats that I've logged. Then up there are three dots, the menu. Click on it to go to the logged chat settings. Okay, I'll click on it. Then here the chat log settings. Then you'll see something like this. You are provided with two options or highlights. First, hide log chats, where it says log chats won't show on your chat list. To see them, enter your secret code into the search bar in your chat tab. So enable it, and after enabling it you can see that they're telling me use my secret code. This is because I already have a secret code, but if you don't have one, you'll be provided with an option to set. So since I already have a passcode, let's use the one that I set. Okay, let me enter the passcode. It should be 4-character long or more, 4 character long. Okay, you can see secret codes match. Okay, done. After setting there, you can go back. Let's go back. Then let's scroll to see if we still see the log chats bar up there. As you can see, there is nothing. So for you to find your logged chats, you'll go to the search bar menu and then you write your passcode, which was header. Okay, as you can see, after writing my passcode, I can see the chat logs option up there. Yeah, that's it. That's how it goes. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.